Nowadays, you might have seen viral videos where famous people are shown as cute little babies, right? It looks super funny and adorable. Today, I'll show you exactly how to create this kind of baby style AI videos step by step using simple tools. Let's get started. Hi friends, and in this video, you'll learn how to take a celebrity photo, turn it into a baby version using AI, and create a complete video with voiceover, all with free tools. Don't worry, I'll explain everything in very simple language. We don't need any editing knowledge for this. First, we need an image of any famous personality. I will simply go to Google and search for the person's name. I'll search Donald Trump, HD images. Go to images section. Try to select an image where the face is clear and looking straight. Once you find a good one, just save it to your computer or phone. Let's select this image. Next, I open ChatGPT. Let's upload the image here. After uploading, I just type a simple message like give me a prompt. To turn this image into a childlike baby version. Hit enter. ChatGPT will reply with a ready-made prompt, something like this. Now next step is copy the same image, paste it here. Now copy the prompt and paste below the image. Click on generate. Wait for a few seconds and it will generate a baby version of the celebrity. Once you are happy with the result, just download the baby image to your device. Now we will turn that baby image into a talking video. For this, open a website called Hedra AI. On the home page, go to video, and here you will see a start frame option. I'll download the image first. I'll upload image and click on open. Now this image will be the face used in the video. Now we need to add a voice like the baby is actually speaking. For that we will use a free tool called MicMonster, or you can even use any other free tool if you know. I'll open a new tab, search MicMonster. Open the website. I'll go to ChatGPT and I will search. Give me a short one-liner write up that can be used for the voiceover. You can copy this, go to MicMonster, paste here, can select from the numerous voice available. I'll select anyone. I'll click on generate audio. I'll click on download. I'll go back to Hedra AI. In audio script, I'll upload audio. I'll open that file. I'll click on add to video. Now just hit the generate button. Currently we are facing issue with generation, but this is the process, so you can try it out and let us know. So this is how you can easily create viral AI baby videos without any editing skills and just free tools. You just need an image, ChatGPT, Hedra AI and MicMonster, that's it. I'll show you the generated sample.
Ever wondered what leadership looked like in diapers? Meet the tiniest statesman in history. Big dreams, tiny hands, and maximum cuteness.
If you like this tutorial, please give a like, comment below if you have any doubts, and do subscribe for more AI design related videos. Thank you so much for watching. Try this today and tag me if you share any video online. I'll see you in the next one.